to Olivia Toys. You guys have had so many fantastic comments and questions about Olivia's toddler bedroom, which turned into a bit of an extravagant build. And I didn't show you how I did everything in here, so some of you had some questions. So I thought I would make it easy and make a video to answer these questions. So here we go. Question number 1. Where did you get Olivia's new toddler hair? Well, I painted it. It was actually this colour first, which is a proper Lego piece, but it only comes in this gingery brown and in black. So I painted it to make Olivia's colour, and the flowers in her hair are actually Fimo slices that are intended for fingernail decorating. So I have an enormous pack of this, like a bulk pack. I have no idea what I'm going to do with all of these, but they're so cute. And they just made the most sweet little hair decorations for Olivia's pigtails. So now I have a whole heap of these, and I will find something to do with them. Don't you worry, they won't go to waste. There are a lot. That packet was like $2. It was really cheap to get lots and lots of them. Now, next question was, and we might move Olivia back into her bedroom so we can have a look here. Next question was, where do you get the stickers from that you put in the rooms? Well, like these heart ones, and like the big sun over here, and I like to put stickers on my Lego bricks to accessorize the rooms because they just make them look a little bit more personalized and a lot more cheerful. I do like stickers. I collect them from all sorts of places. These ones are actually the big ones left over from my fingernail stickers, and then they're actually quite big. They make good bedspreads. I'm never going to use them that big on my fingernails, so I keep them for this sort of purpose. These ones are some Korean ones, I think. And these are little Japanese ones that came from our Daiso store. We have like a Japanese dollar store here in Australia called Daiso. These ones I thought would make the best little pennants in the toddler rooms. I'm going to have to make some more toddler rooms. This one's where I got the big sun from. All these little planets on it. I wanted to put them all in her room, but they would have just cluttered it all up. And here are some more of those hearts. So I had to choose the ones that fitted the best. So that's only a small amount of my sticker collection. I just love collecting cute stickers. Okay, next question. Where did these pink little hearts come from? Well, there is a story behind that. Let me take you into an alternate universe where I happened upon Sweet Mayhem's starship, and I don't think she's in there because I tell you what, I would not be doing this if she were here because she terrifies me. In here are these brand new pink heart Lego tiles. They are so adorable and I want them all. So we're just taking one from here. We might be borrowing these. It might also be called stealing. And in this side, there's another one. Looks like she has already captured Lucy and Emmett. Oh, but we'll let them out. Should we let them out? We'll let them out. It's too late, they're out now anyway. Though Emmett appears to be seriously hampered by the fact he's covered in stickers. But we'll take these hearts and we'll just close everything up again so it doesn't look like anything has happened. And oh, just in time. Okay, alright, so good. Okay, Sweet Mayhem has not noticed that I have stolen the pink hearts from her starship, and she's taking off, and she doesn't actually realize she doesn't have any prisoners anymore either, though Lucy still looks really cross and Emmett still looks as though he's covered in stickers. What are you gonna do? So we retrieved the pink hearts, stole them, and put them here as part of the decoration on Olivia's bed head here, and that's exactly how it happened, word for word. Now, if you are interested in watching the starship build, that will be up on the channel this weekend, so keep an eye out for it. Next question was, how did you make this miniature Lego set of Olivia's house? Well, it was actually really simple. I got the image from the internet, I shrank it down to the right size to fit on this tile, printed it out, cut it out and glued it onto the tile. It is not going to last overly long, but it's really cute. I wish I had a better quality printer so I could make it look better, but we make do with what we have. Okay, this next question, well, it's actually a statement, was a biggie. Ben Dawson said, I'm sure you thought of this, but instead of extending the house, you could remove the bathroom and put it above with the parents' bedroom. And you know what? I totally had not thought about that until you mentioned it. Because sometimes these things don't occur to us while we're building, but that was the perfect solution, so I thought I would give that a try and see what it looked like. So let's dismantle what I actually did, and adding all this little lawn piece and the barbecue area underneath, and then put it back together in that much more simplified version rather than this overly complicated way that I went about having it with it hanging off the side. Isn't it funny how you don't think of these things sometimes till someone else looks at it and goes, do you know what you could have done? So let's see. This is going to be so much tidier. So now the whole second floor is Olivia's bedroom, and the next floor has got the bathroom and the new parents' bedroom that I built. Now we don't have any internal structure in here in the middle, so I don't want to press on that too hard, but that is just a much neater solution. Oh, I should have put like a window box over here on this side outside Olivia's room, because that looks a bit weird from the front, but that's okay, I can fix that up later. But this is so much tidier. Do you prefer this tidy way? Thank you, Ben, for suggesting it. Or would you like to see a garage or a barbecue area off the side? You can do whatever you want with Lego. That would be the point of Lego. So that's some of your questions answered. Oh, hold on, Sweet Mayhem is... Whoa. Oh my goodness. I think she wants her hearts back. I didn't even realize she knew it was me. Oh, she's gone again. Oh no! Okay, alright. Oh, okay. It looks like the structural integrity of our building has stood up against Sweet Mayhem's starship attack, and Olivia's house can live to be for another day. So I will see you in the next video. Make sure you check in for the starship build later on this week, and, well, I'll see you then. Bye!